Tired of struggling financially? Learn how to make money online. Large savings accounts require lots of work. If you work hard to build income, you'll be able to achieve your goals. That statement is particularly applicable to online ventures. This video will tell you what to do to make real money. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. You can make money online at home by doing research as an information broker. Many individuals and businesses need people to research information online and provide it to their advertising departments. Sometimes this is freelance work. Sometimes companies provide an actual position that may come with benefits. You can start out freelance, build your reputation and then seek out a full-time position if you wish. One good way to make money online is by writing blog posts or videos. There are a few sites such as Helium and associated content that will pay for blog posts and videos that you write. You can earn up to $200 for videos on topics they are looking for. Avoid upfront fees that some online portals ask for. No legitimate company or business will ask you for money to start working for them. These are probably scam artists looking to screw you. Make sure to steer clear of such enterprises. While you may not become a millionaire overnight, you can work hard to make good money online. While hard work will typically pay off, working smart is the best way to go, and that is why the above tips are important for anyone seeking to maximize efficiency and profit. Best of luck and great success to you in all your future endeavors. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.